Hi, everyone. I want to help you out, and we have had some technological issues with Canvas this week that I think have thrown some unnecessary and unfair roadblocks in front of people in terms of assignments 11 and 12. Okay, so I have put together what I think you'll see is a pretty good plan to help you out. Um, what we're going to do is stop using peer review functionality on Canvas. Canvas has a peer review feature that has a lot of problems, a lot of issues, as far as I can tell. Okay, so we're going to stop using that. And instead, what I'm going to start providing you with is access to these general Google documents that everybody has the ability to edit. And so what we'll do, and I'll let you know that this is what we're doing in the assignments and in the announcements and things like that. But what we'll do is you'll come to the Google Doc. This is the Google Doc for, I guess I misspelled Google, for steps 11 and 12. And you'll write your name, okay? And then under your name, you will post the work you have produced for, let's say, step 11, and perhaps also step 12. So if I had my essay in front of me, I would post my essay under my name, and then I would kind of leave that material up for anybody else in the class to see. Once I've posted that material that I want some help with, another person can come to the post, okay, and can leave me comments that can let me know how it is I could continue to improve my document, how I could continue to develop my document so that it is more in line with what the assignment is asking of me. And then I could take those comments, presumably incorporate them into my writing, and then upload my writing to the associated step. That way I'm getting feedback from my peers, okay? So this is something I would actually like to make a normal part of the class for our assignments going forward. But I think this weekend or into early next week, I'll present it in a way that has certain incentives for you. Okay, so what I want to do is if you post your draft of assignments 11 and 12 to this Google document, and then if you comment on the next two posts below yours, okay, that's to make sure everybody gets some help. So if you comment on the next two posts below yours, you give them feedback on how it is they could continue to improve their document, I will give you extra credit on steps 11 and 12. Now, I haven't quite figured out the extra credit, what it's going to be valued, so I'm going to mention it in the video, and then in the post that this video goes up with, I'll spell out what the extra credit will be. Okay, but if you do that over this weekend, if you post your work for assignments 11 and 12 to this document and then comment on the post below yours, the next two, okay, giving good feedback for both, multiple points for both, I will give you some extra credit. Now, in terms of commenting, to comment in a Google Doc, you would just highlight the material, and then you see this little commenting box over here. You would add a comment, and then I would write my comment in here about what I was seeing, and then I would hit comment and it would show up. And then my peer could see it and they say, oh, so-and-so is suggesting I do this to improve my work. Okay, so to make sure this works for everybody, I'm going to extend the deadlines for steps 11 and 12 until Monday of next week. Even if you've already submitted, you can resubmit up to Monday of next week. If you take some time between now and Monday to comment on the work of a couple of your peers, I will give you extra credit for steps 11 and 12. Okay, it will probably be significant extra credit for steps 11 and 12. And then going forward, what we'll be doing is using these Google documents pretty frequently to share our work with everybody and get lots of good feedback on our work. I think this will help out a lot. I think this will help us overcome some of the challenges of the online class and also some of the challenges of the peer review functionality in Canvas. And so I expect everybody will benefit from this. Okay, everybody will benefit from this. So let's try it out. Let me know if you have questions. I'm very happy and eager to help. Okay, good luck.